Go.
We were sad, and this could never happen to us. How wrong could we be? 'Cause baby, here we are, victims of love. I'm broken down a bed, so sad to see it and every scatter everywhere. You still cannot believe